Since 2017, well, a lot of financial institutions have collapsed. When you speak of banks, 9 of them. You speak of savings and loans, 23 of them. Speak of microfinance companies, 347 of them have collapsed. Now, this affects confidence in our financial sector. Well, a recent survey by Afrobarometer conducted by the Center for Democratic Development, CDD in Ghana, shows that some people have confidence in the system, others don't. When you speak of banks, for example, 58% of Ghanaians believe that they are very safe. When you speak of savings and loans, the number drops all the way to 8%. When you speak of microfinance, only 7% of people believe that they are safe. Now, some 7% of people say that banks are not safe at all. Some 33% of people say that savings and loans are not safe at all. 35% of people believe that microfinance companies are also not safe at all. So, what are the people of Ghana saying? We've come onto the ground on today's edition of the Citi Newsroom to speak to people. Busy circle. That's where we are. We're going to speak to ordinary people just to find out simply how much confidence do they have in banks, savings and loans, and microfinance. Follow me as I speak to some people. Let's see. Over there, I see a few gentlemen. Let's walk up to them. Senior. Charlie, what's up? How are you? How are you?
Oh, fine.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Amos.
Amos?
Yes.
What do you do?
Myself.
Nice.
Yes.
All right, quick one. Do you have an account?
Oh, yes. I was having an account.
You were having an account?
Yes.
Where?
At GM Bank.
GM Bank?
Yes.
What happened?
The bank having collapsed, but that's why my account have been closed.
So now you don't have any accounts, or you have an account somewhere else?
For now, I don't have an account.
Okay, so recently, just recently, a report has come out that says that a lot of Ghanaians don't have confidence in savings and loans as well as microfinance, but they have confidence in banks. So you, now that you don't have an account, what's your confidence level in banks, for example? Banks.
For now, I don't think I'll go and save in the bank because I don't know when the bank will collapse. Are you getting? So if I save in the bank and then the bank collapses, it means my money have been seized.
Yeah.
So for me, I have to save the money in my room. In case of anything, then I have access to my money.
How much money did you have at GN Bank?
GM Bank is 3,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah.
3,000.
Yes.
And you've not received it?
I can't receive it because I used to come to Circle here. When I come, they ask me to sit. Maybe I will sit maybe somewhere 11 o'clock p.m. Okay. I'll come and join land the following morning, and I want to be able to get the money.
Wow.
So because of that, I've stopped that. Stopped. Yeah.
So let me ask you now, between a bank, savings and loans, and microfinance, which one would you save your money with?
For now, the three, I think I'll save bank. Yes.
Okay, so you have at least some confidence in the bank.
Yes, some confidence in the bank.
So if you have between the savings and loans and microfinance, which one would you pick?
The microfinance and then the savings and loan, I think I don't have any confidence in that. Yes, no, I don't think I'll do.
Thank you so much, yeah? Okay. I'm grateful. All right, Senior, now where? What's up? What about you?
The same way, I'm saving my money in the house because I've heard a lot that banks have been collapsing and then here and there. So for that matter, I feel bad that I should save money in bank and any microfinance.
Okay, so first of all, which institution did you have your money in?
That was you say?
Okay, did you have an account now?
Yes.
With which institution?
That was this GM Bank.
GM Bank?
Yeah.
Okay, how much?
That was 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Rich man. Okay, quick one. So now you don't have access to your money.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so if I gave you 1,000 cedis now, where would you save it? Bank, savings and loans, microfinance. Obviously, which one?
I will feel like saving it in bank.
Bank?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I've heard a lot of, bank for governments. I've never heard anything bad about them. So that is what I'm feel of saving in bank.
So if I give you 1,000 cedis, you're saving in the bank?
Yes.
I'll surprise you one of these days. We're still going to speak to some people. Yes, I have another gentleman here. He looks like a very rich man. Senior, how are you doing?
Oh, by the grace of God.
What's your name? No, stand with me.
No, I'm called Daniel. I know Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry. I'll hold it for you. You're a very big one. Do you have an account now?
No, at the moment I can't save again. I can't save again.
Okay.
But
Again, why?
No, people, because of what happened to Pakwasi Indom, so I am not interested in saving microfinance again.
But did you used to have an account?
Really, I have account of Pakwasi, but at the moment, I didn't enter there. I don't save.
So you used to have an account with GN Bank?
Yes.
How much? How much money?
No, 1,000.
1,000.
1,000 plus.
Wow.
1,000 plus.
So now, if I give you 2,000 Ghana cedis, where would you save it in? Bank, savings and loans, microfinance. Of these three, which one would you save it?
No. Unless commercial bank.
Unless commercial bank. Okay.
Wow.
All right, thank you so very much. That's his opinion of all the people we've spoken to, consistent with the results of the survey, that they would rather put their money in a bank. So a lot of gentlemen have spoken, they are saving with the banks, but the ladies, we know are a bit savvy when it comes to their money. I have a lady here with me. What's your name again?
Patricia Bediako.
Bediako?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I work at Media Monitoring Service.
Media Monitoring Service. You are loaded. Cash. All right, quick question for you. If you had your money, where would you put it? Savings and loans, microfinance, Susu, mobile money, banks?
In a bank, definitely. Why? Because I see bank as the biggest above apart from the savings and loans and the microfinance and stuff.
So if I ask you in terms of confidence, ranking all these institutions, which one do you have the most confidence in?
Bank, absolutely.
Number one?
Yeah.
Number two?
Apart from bank, nowhere else.
Nowhere else?
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah?
Okay.
All right, apart from bank, nowhere else. A lot of people essentially towing the same line as the recent Afro Barometer survey conducted by CDD. All right, so we're still here at SECO trying to gauge the confidence level of people in our financial institutions, banks, savings and loans, microfinance, Susu mobile money and the likes. I have a gentleman here with me, Senior. How you doing?
Oh, great.
And your name?
Kelvin.
I like your shirt, by the way.
Oh, thanks, brother.
So I know you have a lot of money. Where do you save it?
I said UBA.
UBA?
Yeah.
A bank?
Yeah, and Ghana Commercial Bank.
Okay. Why not a savings and loans company?
I look at the credibility aspect of it.
Okay.
The security of the money. I cannot want a situation where I deposit today, tomorrow to retrieve or to withdraw becomes an issue. So I want a situation where the banks can give me access to my money at the time I needed it most.
Oh, okay. And so far for you, when it comes to where you put your hard-earned cash, banks are number one.
Sure.
If you didn't have banks and had microfinance and then savings and loans, where would you put your money?
I have to treasury bills.
Treasury bills?
Yes.
So you're not going anywhere near the savings and loans and microfinance?
Honestly, with all due respect to the savings and loan, they are trying, but the issue is personally, based on how things are going, I don't feel comfortable saving my money in the microfinance or savings and loan.
All right, sir. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. All right, so there you have it. He doesn't have any confidence at all in the other financial institutions, and he would always go with a bank. We'll try and see if we can speak to some more people right here in the heart of the city, SECO. A lot of traffic in the background, a lot of people with money. Where would they save their money? Where would you save your money? In the bank, savings and loans, microfinance, Susu, under your pillow, mobile money? The options are a lot, but people want to save with banks.